Hey, welcome to the Handy Guys, and we've been talking about in other videos smart appliances, smart lights, smart light bulbs, all kinds of stuff like that.
Yep.
This is a smart thermostat, and it's called the Ecobee.
That's right. So thermostats used to be just on or off, heat or cool with a temperature. Well, then they got to be programmable, right? So
yeah, and most of them you could never remember how to program each season.
Right, so, but you would set it so when you were at work, it would or at nighttime or whatever, it would have a different setting.
They were a pain. This I put into my home like you did, and I love the interface.
So what it can do is sense automatically when you're home or away. So this is the Ecobee. Google has one called the Nest. Does the same thing and has that sensor. With the Ecobee, I have 4 remote sensors. So the temperature that this will set to will average across all of those sensors. And those sensors also serve as occupancy sensors. So my thermostat is not it's in my dining room, so it doesn't get a lot of traffic through here. So I have a sensor in the kitchen, I have one in the basement, I have one in the bedroom, so that it knows when we're home and it will have the temperature follow the programming according to when we're home.
You also have, keep in mind it has the weather, so it's always giving you, if you want a quick weather report, you can obviously look at your smart app, you can look at this, shows you the next few days. It's very easy to change it if you want to manually adjust it.
That's right.
Heat, cold, and obviously the temperature you can do manually. But in addition to do it manually, you have some voice controls you can do. Why don't you show us that?
That's right. So I can say, Alexa, set my Ecobee to 72 degrees.
The heat's set to 72.
There we go.
Okay, so now it's moved up to 72. So you have some voice commands, and because it's Alexa, ultimately you could tie that in to other smart devices like your switches and things like that.
That's right. I can say, Alexa, turn off the basement lights.
Okay.
So it just turned off the lights in my basement.
Cool. So Brian, does this also have a smart app?
Of course, Paul. It does have, the Ecobee has an app that mirrors what's on the screen, so it can do all of the functions right from your smartphone or tablet.
And Brian, how hard was this to install?
So this was I have never seen instructions so well written for a product like this. So it's very specific. It tells you to take a picture of the wiring, label your wires, how they were on the old thermostat, and then what to do with each of those wires inside of this. If you can follow instructions, this should be no problem. And they have excellent support as well.
Yeah, so if you have a low voltage system, low voltage wiring.
So if you have like the type of heat that's they call it resistance heat, electric baseboard, this will not work for you. But other than that, most furnaces and boilers this will work with.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching the Handy Guys.
Thanks for watching. See ya.